And in my endless quest for fun new monsters, I summoned my friend Anne Thalheimer, the cartoonist and creative force behind the My Monster Hat craft empire. We're going to take turns conjuring into being, piece by piece, some frightful monster cousins.
So you know what? I've got my paper out. Maybe I'll go first.
Awesome.
So I always start with the eyes. Do you start with eyes?
Yeah, eyes are a good place to start. Let's do it.
So first question is how many eyes?
I'm going to say 3. Let's do 3.
All right, 3-eyed monster, and anything goes.
I am also going to be drawing along because this is super fun. Oh, neat. We kind of did the same thing because I tried to draw mine without looking at yours. This is what I ended up drawing. Can you see?
Oh, cute. Okay.
Perfect.
I've been getting into the circles and then another circle inside it, and then I color dark.
Yep.
And it just kind of gleams at
highlight
you.
in the eye. Perfect.
All right, so you, I asked you how many eyes, and you said 3, so then you can ask me a question, and I'll make a decision. We'll go back and forth.
How many horns should our monster have?
The same number as the hour of the day.
Okay, I like it.
You can do that military style, 24-hour style, or you can do it 12-hour style.
Oh, wow. All right, I think I'm good with my horns.
All right, so my question, your answer?
Mm-hmm.
What's the expression of the mouth?
That's good. I think I would like a surprised but happy mouth. Like surprised in a good way.
I like the tension that's building where I'm like, what is Anne drawing here? I can't see it. I'm going to see it all at once.
I really like the kind of cheek that you drew, the cheek expression part.
That little line right there?
Yeah, I love that. I think that's great.
Oh, thanks.
All right, where are we at in our composition process?
Your question, my answer.
Does your monster have a tail?
Why, yes.
Ah,
Wow,
excellent.
that's pretty open-ended. So now it's like wild card tail, huh?
Yep.
Okay. How about a word to describe the arms?
I kind of want to go with scaly.
Okay. I'm liking this. I never would have drawn a monster quite like this on my own. So.
Right? This is great. All right. How many teeth should our monster have?
Your age in teeth.
Oh my word, that's a lot of teeth.
Phew. It just fit.
Done.
All right.
That's a lot of teeth. But that looks really cool. I just did something with the teeth that I wasn't expecting, and I really like the effect.
Oh, I can't wait to see this. All right.
All right.
My question, your answer. How would you describe just either the general outline or texture or shape of the head? What comes to mind?
Kind of like a Twinkie. So like
okay.
Not quite circular, but more like a long oval.
Often when you answer one of my questions, the moment you answer it, an image springs to my mind that wasn't in my mind before. So it's kind of cool to see.
It felt like I might have been too directive with the Twinkie, but I was like, maybe this is it.
Is it your turn to ask me a question?
Okay. What should the general shape of the body of the monster be?
Inscrutable.
Oh, I love it. Okay. Cool.
You know what? I'm going to turn my desk cam off now because I think the surprise is coming now. The inscrutability. Okay. So you got to look at my my mug as I draw, I guess. Oh, here, look at my mug as I draw.
Oh, nice. Oop. Get a cameo from my cat, Franklin.
Hi, Franklin. How about manner of locomotion, which doesn't have to be feet, does it? So.
No, it doesn't, because the first thing I wanted to say was undulation.
Ooh.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll go with that.
All right. Yeah. But I think this is how some of the best ideas come about, when people are just kind of like spitballing and like, wait, what about this? Oh, this, and this works. And I think that's awesome. That's how things get created.
I think I'm about ready.
I think I am too.
So you saw the head.
Yep.
The inscrutable body, I realized. See if you can tell what it is.
Oh my gosh. Is that like a Victorian ruffle kind of thing that they would wear?
Yes.
Very cool. All right, are you ready to see mine?
Yes.
Okay. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, oh, it's so happy.
Right.
I love
it. The dots, you can see the dots on the head that I added for detail.
Yeah.
And then that little thing I put in most of my monsters is a little heart.
Oh, it's an Anne heart.
Yeah, a little tiny heart in the monster's mouth.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
My mouth, I was thinking of coloring in black around the tongue.
Yes, I would recommend that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that really makes that pop. That really gives it some really good dimension there. I think that's a good choice.
Good. Thanks. And I ended up putting some little motion lines so they're undulating a little more.
That's very cool.
So I want to get that vocabulary word in there and get full credit here.
It's such a good vocabulary word.
Can we do a little screenshot side by side with us with our creatures and our crazy looks? And, all right, cool. Nice. Well, thank you, Anne. This is wonderful. Why don't we scan these and we'll put them on our Patreon, and I'll post a link to yours. And you do art classes?
Yeah, I do comics classes, little crafty classes. I'm going to do a couple of Sculpey monster making classes.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll be in touch.